welcome back to my channel. It is Nello here as always, coming at you with a beautiful fresh face today. Is this fresh face? It's still fresh even though there's makeup on it. But anyways, hope you guys are all doing fine. Without even talking too much, the wig I'm going to be showing you guys today is this hair from Wigencounters. It came in this gold beautiful bag, and to be honest, this I've not seen this kind of wig before. You guys will see what I mean in a minute. But anyways, before I get to the wig, let me show you all the plenty things that came in the bag. It came with a wig cap, obviously. It came with this headband. It came with a scarf. This scarf is so beautiful. I love this color. It has like 2 or 3 colors. It came with a scarf. It also came with this headband and this other headband. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that come in the box. This wig is called a versatile wig. It's not a headband wig, and it also doesn't have any closure. Yeah, so as I was saying, it doesn't have any closure. It's not a headband wig. I will show you guys what I mean in a minute. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to use my hand and brush off this coils because I want it to feel like or look really full. I want to brush it out, but this is what it looks like. And so see what I mean. See what the front looks like. Yeah, so it's just blonde. You can't wear this without bringing your hair out or something, but then it has clips and combs that can clip it into your hair. So let me go on and wear it and show you guys different ways that you can style this wig. It's actually really versatile. You guys, I'm actually halfway into this video. So I forgot to mention that this wig has this band here. You guys can see it, so you can adjust it. So that's what actually makes it very versatile. You can wear it as a full head wig, and you can also use it as ponytail. Anyways, let's get back to the video.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Looking at it like this, it looks weird, but don't worry, we're about to make this hair look bomb. So I'm just going to start dragging it out with my hand. I think I might actually use a brush as well because I want it to look very full, like very full.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not.
See the huge difference. See how this side looks now that I've brushed it out compared to this side. If you like this look, you can always leave it like this, but I don't, so I'm going to brush it out. So after volumizing the hair, you can automatically turn this to a headband wig by just putting on a headband.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego.
You see what I mean? So once you put on a headband, this automatically turns to a headband wig. Now for the next style.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh.
this wig is so versatile that you can wear it as ponytail. You can also wear it as a full head wig. So I'm going to try and wear it as a ponytail now. You guys should please ignore my edges. Ignore, in fact, you know what? Let's lay our edges, okay? So as usual, I use this can tool to lay my edges. I don't really do much, to be honest. I'm not going to be doing a lot. I'm just going to use it to lay the hair down just so it looks sleek when I do my ponytail. Nothing much. Basically just laying the hair down. So now that we're done, I'm going to use this, but you guys can see how big it is. So I'm going to use this to reduce it quite a lot. So it looks like this. You can see how much smaller it is. Then I'm going to wear it on this ponytail and make sure to use this, what's it called? Use these hooks or combs to hold it to my hair.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
And just like that, to have a ponytail, you guys, I've never tried on any wig this versatile. Literally just like that, we have a ponytail, you guys, and it's not even showing. You won't even be able to tell because I just parted the hair so that it covers up everything. I think this is my favorite style. I think this is going to be my go-to style actually right now, this week, especially now that my hair is not made. Just pack it all together and pop this on. This hair is so versatile. Like, how can you use one hair as wig, use it as ponytail, and style it so many different ways, you guys? This is definitely a fave right now, and I love it so much. Let me add this hairband just to give it an oomph. When you add the hairband, this is what it's going to look like. I love it. I love it, you guys. Let me know what you think. This is really nice. This is absolutely beautiful. There are so many other ways to style this hair, to be honest, but like I've showed you guys, maybe I don't even know how many at this point. I'm going to be exploring more with this hair, and you guys will definitely see it in my vlogs. Like I said earlier in this video, this wig is from Wigencounters. I'm going to put their name on the screen and all the link in my description box down below. To be honest, and I love how soft this hair is. It feels so soft, so like so natural. I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, it feels really soft. You guys should definitely check it out. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And like, do you like this hair? How will you style this hair if you bought this hair? Like, how will you style it? Definitely ponytail is my fave. Anyways, I'm talking too much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let's do outro. Of course we have to do outro. Let's use this type for outro. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us.